session. Today our session topic is like academic transformation, research transformation through Inflibnet services. So I hope majority of the people may aware about Inflibnet services. Before starting our services, let me explain about who is Inflibnet Center and what we really doing for our Indian research and academic community. Let me share my screen.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the screen, ma'am?
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Let me explain once again about myself. See, I'm basically a computer science graduate. I'm about to complete my PhD in a month or two, within 2 months from Bharathasan University. And I used to take care of the cloud and mostly infrastructure related work. I used to take care, like, for example, University Grants Commission, UGC, and then National Testing Agency, and then NARF and NBA, National Board of Accreditation, and many other services and applications I do manage over cloud. Most of the ministries and University Grants Commission projects and UGC websites and everything. So what about Inflibnet Center? So we are part of University Grants Commission under Ministry of Education. And who are all our peers? Like, we have our sister concern like Inter-University Center for Acceleration Center, Astronaut and Astrophysics, Department of Atomic Energy. We have a consortium especially for them. And then CEC, Consortium for Education and Communication, and Inflibnet Center ourselves, and National Board of National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC, and other people. Like total 6 inter-university center comes under University Grants Commission. We are one among them. Same like you must be aware about NAC. The NAC is our sister concern. So this is we have started in the year 1991 as a project under IUCA. IUCA means like Inter-University Center for Astronaut and Astrophysics. They are doing research related, that astrophysics related research they are doing. And then as a project, then 1996, that UGC that understood that like Inflibnet bodies, kind of bodies required to interconnect the entire universities in India. Like we do provide the internet connectivity in the year 1991 to 1996. Then later, when Government of India, indirectly all the government public universities, state and central universities being funded by Government of India. Then it was, we were all using that card cataloging system, especially for library purpose. So government has given mandate to upgrade their physical or manual method to system like software method. So we developed our own software, like software for university libraries. And then later we have installed that software all over India, more than 500 universities, whatever it is funded by Government of India. Then the moment we automate, once the particular job is over, then slowly we started taking the ministry projects, like whatever related to library or e-resources procurement. Then we started ranking for Indian higher education institution in along with National Board of Accreditation. So these are all our 10 verticals of our services. As I said, our core agenda to automate the libraries, whatever funded by Government of India and all state and centrally funded institutions. Then access to scholarly resources. Then after automation, whenever any government faculty or researchers wanted to do research, they need to refer the past research. So that we are the nodal agency for executing One Nation, One Subscription. I will explain in coming slides. And we do promote the open access initiatives. That is very much important for all academic, especially for faculty who are doing research. What is the benefit you will get to exactly how the way you need to utilize the open access initiatives. And we do have scholarly network like Indian Research Information Networking System, Vidwan and Sherni, and many more. We do have networking system. And we do execute majority of the Ministry of e-learning project like EPG Pansala, Vidya Mitra, and so many other projects like Swan Prabha and other stuff. And we do provide ICT skill development program for faculty, staff, only faculty and staff. And then we do maintain the e-governance entire University Grants Commission portal, UGC portal, including e-governance and the Distance Education Bureau. All UGC portals is being maintained by us. And accrediting and ranking agencies, like we do support for NAC. Whenever you submit for NAC process, like accreditation, whatever related to research or patent or anything related to library, that we do curate the data. We are the authenticated person. We do certify that yes, whatever you provided, it is correct or not. We do provide the data to them. And for ranking, for NARF ranking, we do rank for entire process, like including data collection process, DCS system, and then post DCS verification, and then ranking methodologies, algorithm, everything being designed by us in consultation and guidance with the National Board of Accreditation. And majority of the Ministry of Education funded project, like National Mission on Education, NMTT, like Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya, and then Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, Ek Bharat Swachh Bharat, and many other projects also we are executing. And the Association of Indian Universities, transgender portal, e-governance with various universities, and we do help them to set up their learning management portal. Those are all the services being provided by Inflibnet. Only thing, all of our services, whatever we developed, we produced from our own manpower, it is free of cost, irrespective of government or private institutions. Because that one nation, one subscription, majority of the institution will ask that why are you not providing for aided or private institutions? That is not our own services. We do procure from various 30 publishers, and we are giving services to the fully government funded institutions. So as I said, I hope everybody aware about one nation, one subscription. If you are all part of any government institutions, you must be aware. So this is the new project. Earlier there were 10 different agencies, including within the government of India. Like we are from Ministry of Education, Ministry of Culture. They have their own consortium, like Indian Council for Social Science. They have, and then for Department of Atomic Energy, they have DESIDA consortium. And for Medical Council of India, there are MedFed consortium. Like that, there were different consortium, all together working for procuring the articles from various publishers, and they are providing access to their ministry institutions. So what Government of India decided, yes, instead of going for 10 different pricing model with the 10 different publishers, why can't Inflibnet look after this, procuring the e-journals from various agencies, publishers? So on behalf of all ministries in India, we do have a rate negotiation with various publishers, like including Elsevier and Taylor and Francis, Scopus, and then Springer Link, Bedham Science, and many other publishers. So Government of India has given 2,000 crore every year for executing this project. So for altogether, this is a 3 years project scheme, and 6,000 crore they have allotted. So first year it is almost about to complete in a month now. And more than 1.8 crore students will get benefit. Earlier, only for IIT Madras, they will have different kind of funding support from the government. They do have 10 or 15 crore from government funding support. Now, even I am studying from Government Arts College Karur or Government Arts College Tanjavur, even I am studying in IIT Madras or AIMS Delhi, every student, every faculty from this institution will get equal amount of access. That is the concept behind it. One nation, one subscription. All 1.8 crore students and faculty community in around more than 6,300 plus institution will get equal amount of e-resources. So this is managed by Inflibnet Center. Each source Sindhu that was operated by Inflibnet Center ourselves, that was something around 150 crore project. Every year we used to fund, we used to purchase the e-resources. We do provide only for Ministry of Education institutions. Then DRDO for defense institution, SERA, and education resource material for medical institutions, then MCIT, then Enlist was only for college institution, DELCON, DAE, NKRC, like that there were different consortium were there. Now all together merged and it is comes under one nation, one subscription. So what normally we'll do, like we do have a survey. We have not decided ourselves. There is a core committee. People will think why, on what basis you have chosen the journal for the purpose of researcher access. We do have a survey. We float the survey and collected more than 7,000 institutions. What are the core journal you need to get access? Like that, each and every institution, they have submitted their request. We have reviewed all the requests. Whatever it is common, whatever it is really necessary for Indian research context, we subscribe to them and we have given them access to all 6,000 plus 500 institutions. Then apart from that, article processing charges. In case, now it is live. In case some of you from government institution and your institution is being part of one nation, one subscription, you are entitled to get a article processing cost, APC we used to say, like 150 crore every year. See, measure, like everybody have the caliber to do research. When at the time of publication, it is very difficult because some journal people are asking minimum 30,000, 40,000 as a article processing cost. Sometime if you want to make it your article fully open for a whole time or fully open access journal itself in a top tier journal, which is indexed in Scopus Web of Science in Q2, Q3. Just sorry, 1 second. Sir, I'll call you on lecture. I'll call you on lecture. In the Q2, Q3, they are charging huge amount of money as an article processing cost, APC cost. Like per article, if you have published your paper in that particular high impact journal, then you are bound to pay more than $2,000 to $2,500. It means something around 2 lakh rupees. More than 2 lakh rupees you need to pay for publishing your articles in the top tier journal, which is open access. So what Government of India decided is, we have Government of India funded 150 crore, indirectly 6,000 article from this government institution, ONOS funded institution, faculty, researcher can publish. You should be a first author. That list of publication, that publisher name, journal name already listed in our ONOS website. If you want, you can, after this meeting, you can send me a request. I will send the link. Even you can go to onos.gov.in. There is a APC tab will be there. Just click on that and you will be able to get the list of journal. In case you have published, you are the first author, you are a government institutions, then immediately you can apply for funding support from us. Like, you don't want to make the payment to them. Just you need to say your acceptance letter, and then we will directly make the money. And then so who are part? As I said, central universities, state public universities, IUC of University Grants Commission, deemed universities of government, and government aided will be there in the second phase. And government colleges, other Ministry of Education institutions, including research council, research institution receiving research grant from research councils. Institutions under other ministries and departments also be a part. In case you are working government, till your institution not able to not avail this benefit, immediately you reach out to us, or you send a mail to us. I'm part of one nation, one subscription committee. So these many institutions we initially covered. As of now, this many people have registered, more than 5,314 institutions registered, still 1,000 institutions on the way. So these are all the publishers. So we have chosen very top, like all our international publisher, very high impact journal who is running this. Like AAS, ACM Digital Library, American Chemical Society, BMJ journals, Cambridge University journals, and ASME journals, Bentham Science, ASME journals, Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, Elsevier Science Direct. See, people will have a confusion now. See, Elsevier Science Direct will maybe they are operating more than thousands of journals. that one nation, one subscription, through one nation, one subscription, we have very limited, like maybe 100 or 200 journal. Because people will have under impression that once we have a subscription, it doesn't mean that entire database, entire of the publisher content we will not have an access. Based upon Indian research context, requests received from various institutions, from that request, committee have decided, yes, this from particular publishers, we are going to subscribe. These are all the journals. So as I said, this 30 publisher can cover medical related journal, engineering related journal, arts and science related journal, and technology related journal. Everything these 30 publisher is being covered. Even some of the engineering faculty would like to do something related research related to neuroscience. Yes, you are able to download the research article. Earlier, if medical institution, medical consortium, they have subscribed only medical related journal, not related to engineering, because the medical, so due to that reason, medical faculty, medical researcher will not have an access of technology related journal. So that is the reason we do provide this one nation, one subscription overcome such issues. So, so full text download in the year already 7,59,000 of article we have downloaded. Why we need to go for consortium? See, you think you are an individual person from your family. If you are going to hotel as an individual person, they will charge you too much money. Instead of that, you buy a material like rice and pack, and then all sabji, vegetables, everything. You come home and then you prepare and you eat it. So the cost of living expenditure is very, very less in terms of single family. You think single village, you think single state, you think entire country. So if we are, if the same way, the past in the past history, the institution directly approaching to the various publishers, and the cost of same journal cost is something around 7 times higher than the whatever we have done the rate negotiation. Because publisher side also, like 6,500 institution, they need to register for 6,500 institution. They need to appoint minimum 200 or at least 20, 30 representative. They need to each and every time they need to communicate individually to the institutions. Now they don't want to do any kind of thing. Directly, this is a 3 years contract. They don't want to have any kind of representative to deal with in between government institutions and the publisher side. So due to that reason, the publisher is came down with very, very lower cost, and then certainly Indian public money have been saved too much. So this is our portal for discovery portal, like whatever we have subscribed, because some of you, our members who is attending here, who is already being part, they may not aware how to search journals. Like you go to our ONOS website, there is a search keyword will be there. If you enter just artificial intelligence or cloud computing, it will search within the subscribed e-resources from these 30 publishers. It will not go beyond that. And whatever it is fully openly available, those results will come in the top. So if you want, you can go and search it, and then you will get the result. So I hope this research access method, this resource access methodology, in general, it is a 2 types of resource access methodology. One is called IP based access. For example, you are part of university. Your university will have some IP ranges like 14.139.100 to 200 IP ranges. The moment your university made the payment, then the publisher will ask, what is your IP address of your university? So whenever you are sitting inside your campus, the moment you open Scopus or Web of Science or Springer, those people immediately identify, yes, this particular request, the system, the person is requesting from Bharathasan University, and whatever Bharathasan University already paid the resources, whatever they are entitled, only those resources this publisher will allow them to access based upon the IP addresses. That is called IP access mechanism. I'm from Bharathasan University or IIT Madras. If I am there in the campus, whatever it is subscribed, I am able to get access. Now I am out of the campus. I'm using my mobile, or I travel to Tamil Nadu, or I travel to Gujarat. Then how do I get access? They are providing remote-based access using single sign-on system that is called Indian Access Management Federation. In case your university or your institutions are having some subscription which is being restricted within your campus, that I am the project in charge for Indian Access Management Federation. You kindly do let me know. I will help you to enable that resources to get access anywhere and anywhere, anytime, any device that I will help you out. So each and every publisher is allowing two type of access. One is on-campus IP based, off-campus Symbolic based. No need to pay anything additional money. See, some institutions are using some proxy software. They are spending 3 lakhs, 5 lakh rupees per year, which is not required. So if you still want to know further more details about even you are a private institution or aided institution, you just go through there and what are the resources we are getting. Certainly you will able to get some kind of interlibrary loan from your co-institutions.